Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of acrylic painting to recreate this stunning pastel sunset scene having mountains, fluffy clouds and a tree. So grab your art supplies and let's get started. Start by dividing your canvas into 3 sections. This will serve as a guide for blending our gradient sky. Begin by applying a mix of cobalt blue and white to the top section of the canvas. Use gentle horizontal strokes to create a soft transition. Next, blend the white shade into middle section and gradually transitioning it into the lavender shade. Use a clean damp brush to soften any harsh edges. Lastly, pick the coral shade to mimic the colors of the sunset and place it on the bottom section of the canvas. Now let's add depth to our landscape by painting the mountain using Prussian blue and cobalt blue. Finally, it's time to add some fluffy clouds to our sky. Dip a round brush into the light pink color, use it as a base layer. Here, move your brush in a circular motion to create soft, billowy clouds. Additionally, use light yellow as a highlight and the coral shade to add depth into the clouds. Lastly, use lavender shade to add the shadows and a little bit of white as our final highlight. Now blend the edges of the clouds into the sky for a seamless transition. Use Prussian blue to outline the mountain and fill them in with a small tiny strokes to create a texture like this. Last but not the least, paint a tree using a black color. And there you have it, a breathtaking pastel sunset landscape painting inspired by nature's beauty. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art tutorials.